It's weird. So I'm back and I'm in my new apartment. It's been a while since the last time I had a video because I'm freaking lazy to edit a video. So anyway, I'm here because I have a unboxing video to make. I have a big box here. I bought Army Bomb version 3 from my friend, and also I ordered season's greetings of BTS 2019. Oh, I'm so excited to see it. It is my first time to have season's greetings. I don't usually buy season's greetings because they're usually expensive, but now, yeah, I actually bought it, and this will be my last. Yeah, I keep on saying this will be my last, but I know this would be my last merch that I'm going to buy for BTS because adulting is hard, guys. It is really hard, so I already choose to stop buying merch because I need to save money for my future. But I will still support them. I will download their songs. Yeah, but probably the albums or the other merch I won't buy it anymore, because actually this one is my last merch that I'm gonna buy. Like I told you, this will be the last merch, and this is my Christmas and birthday gift for myself because my birthday was last January. So let's see the unboxing of this video. Yeah. Oh, Tayo fell down. My tail. Are you still okay? Oh, it's like, oh my god, it's like my, oh, wow. Timmy, thank you for, oh, focus. Let's focus on it. Yeah. Timmy. This is like, thank you so much, Mickey Min Shop. Yeah, by the way, I actually bought this to Mickey Min Shop again. I actually always buy it to her. So anyway, yeah. Oh, here we got my, no, it's not mine. It's my friend's Army Bomb version 3 and my season's greetings. I'm so excited. I can't hide it. Come on, want you. I want you. Let's open this one. Let's open this. And here you go. This is so cute. I actually couldn't remember what is inside this screen, so I'm excited. This is so cute. Is this like mouse pad? I don't have any idea, but they're so cute. Chico is so damn cute. I just said I don't know what inside, so there's like itemized list of contents. So outbox, desk calendar, diary, deco sticker, making DVD, baby BTS photo film, masking tape, mini poster, ID photo, index paper. So name, Our Happiness, Army. Number 2013-0709. Address, BTS. Love, Army. Wow! Wow! I'm so excited. Can't help it. Wait. Ooh, this is so cute. Here. Posters? Outpost? Don't ask me what it is. They're so cute. And you have your background. How about this is outpost? Is this an outpost? Oh, so cutie. Yeah, wow. And the calendar. I actually want the calendar itself. So let's see the calendar. And there's already inside.
I'm just fine. 내 아픔 다 이겨낼 수 있어. 너 없이 나. I'm just fine. 걱정 마. 이제 웃을 수 있고 네 목소리 모두 알아주니까. I'm so fine, you so fine. 슬픔과 상처를 모두 다 이미 지나가 두목에 대한 내 웃음에 반해주자고 we so fine.
What else do we still have here? Yeah. Hey, you focus, dude. You focus. He doesn't want to focus. Our Happiness Army 2013 July. Oh, this is for the babies. Oh my god, wait, I'm excited about this. I'm so madaldal. Look what I've got. Oh my god, so cutie. Oh, I should focus here. Yeah, it's so cute. Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Younggi, Jung Ha-seok, Park Ji-min. Oh, sorry, they are too small. Park Ji-min, Kim Tae-hung, Jang Jung-kook, BTS. Of course, the CD. Gonna what? Oh, wait, this is so cute. Is the stickers or the tape? Yeah, it's a tape. Am I right? It's masking tape. I don't know if I would use it. Should I use it? I don't think I would love. I don't think I can use this. They're so cute. I think I have two. Yeah, I have two stickers. I mean, tape. The diary. Wow, cute. Is it? This is not a diary, right? What is this? Index paper, poster, ID photo. I don't know which one is this. Index paper, but it doesn't look like. But yeah, it's a paper though. Wow! Look at. Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Younggi, Jung Ha-seok, Park Ji-min, Kim Tae-hung, Jang Jung-kook, BTS. This is so cute. Our Happiness. This is so cute. It's so Slytherin actually. The color is so Slytherin. Wow. Wow. I so love this. Can somebody translate this for me? I don't understand anything. I just understand JK, RM. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, I didn't notice that. It's good quality. RM, Shiga, Jinjeok, Jimin, V, Jungkook, Jaya. Okay, this is cute, like a planner. Yeah, it's a planner, yearly plan. I'm not really good at Korean, so please, can somebody tell me what is this? Yeah. Here are all what I got. It is 2019 greetings. Notebook, checked. Desk calendar, checked. Index card, checked. CD, checked. Stickers, 2 tape stickers, check. ID photos, checked. Baby film, checked. Posters, checked. Oh. And I have a free mouse pad. Anyway, I got this and checked.